When it's your turn to chair the committee, plan the potluck, organize conferences, or coordinate parents and volunteers, don't stress about getting people together. Signup.com makes it easy. During the pandemic, Signup.com is your go-to assistant for managing safe occupancy at your workplace or house of worship, and for coordinating COVID testing, vaccination clinics, mutual aid, and nonprofit community response. Signup.com is the easiest way for participants, parents, and volunteers to sign up, show up, or pitch in with a few clicks from any device, no passwords required. Automated confirmation and reminder messages help folks remember their appointments, assignments, and what to bring. This short video will help you organize your first sign-up. To get started, register a free account at SignUp.com, then select Create New Sign-Up from the dashboard. The first step is to share some basic information. First, select your sign-up kind. Single and multiple day sign-ups are perfect for planning events, conferences, volunteer calendars, tournaments, fundraisers, meal circles, and more. No-date sign-ups are ideal for wish lists, giving trees, and volunteer interest forms. For collecting money only, you'll need to use a large screen device like an iPad or computer and select Fees and Contributions. Next, select the category that best describes your activity. If you're organizing a parent-teacher conference or a potluck or party, be sure to choose it here. Type the name of the activity in this box. I'm organizing the hospitality team for a monthly meeting. And add a welcome message here that participants will see at the top of your sign-up. If your activity happens in a specific location, or if you have a Zoom meeting or a map link, you can enter it or paste it here. You can also customize extra details. For example, check these boxes to allow participants to share the sign-up link with others, see who else has signed up, and to enable the swap feature, or designate a 24-hour clock. On a large device, you can identify if your sign-up is affiliated with a K-12 school and customize your organizer contact information. On both mobile and large screen devices, the next step allows you to request additional information from participants when they sign up, like a child's name or t-shirt size. If you need additional fields, please upgrade to our premium service from a large screen device. Otherwise, click Next. Click Create New Spot to add your first item. A spot can be anything you might ask someone to do, an appointment to attend, or something to bring. You'll be able to indicate how many people can sign up, the date and time you need them, and any extra details such as orientation instructions or map or meeting links. You can also add a series of shifts or appointments using our shift scheduler. In this example, I would like 2 people to help set up at 3 p.m. I'll click Add Another and ask for 2 people to bring 2 dozen cookies each. Continue adding items until everything on your list is included. If items require unique details, add them individually after you complete steps 2 and 3 for this batch. On a mobile device, you'll add each item individually before adding the next one. If you're organizing an activity requiring shifts or meeting appointment spots, click the Add Shifts button here to quickly create all of your spots for the first day. In step 2, select the date or dates of your event here on the calendar. Since my meeting happens every month, I'm choosing the recurring option, and then I'll choose Thursday every 4 weeks for the next 6 months. Step 3 is for adding any extra details that are common across all the spots in this batch, like where to park, what to wear, or a link to documents like orientation materials, videos, online meetings, or maps. These details will be included in the automated confirmation and reminder messages sent to all participants. Click Save. You will see the list view of all the spots you just created. You can always add more spots, or view, copy, delete, or lock the day from this screen. For each individual item, you can make changes, give someone an assignment, or add a comment right here. The next step is to add a theme. Select an image from the list or download your own, and then select a background. Now is a good time to preview the sign-up to see how it looks. And there it is. Your sign-up is now planned. Back in the Planning Wizard, click Next to view your invitation options. Here you can invite folks to sign up using a direct mail invitation, a shareable link that you can post in your own messages, social media links, or a button on your website. You'll be pleased at how quickly your participants, parents, or volunteers sign up and how automated reminders help them show up and keep their commitments. Need an ad-free experience or extra planning power? If so, our premium service is for you. You can enable text message reminders, add assistant organizers, waivers, participant check-in, or additional registration fields. We know you're busy. It's easy to manage your sign-up on the go. Simply log in to access your sign-ups organizer view on any device. From the dashboard, click the Sign Up title to make edits, invite more people, or see who's coming. With Signup.com, your activities are sure to be a success. If you have any questions, let us know by clicking here. And our Idea Center has fun, free printables and planning tips to help along the way. Get started today at Signup.com, the easiest way to bring people together.